What's up, YouTube? Been a minute. So usually when it means a minute, or it's been a minute, you know what that means, and that's probably going to be a loot crate. So, there's just so much crap going on in this world. I really would love to talk about it and get some things off my chest, but you, I'm sure, know as well as I do that if we say anything, then our YouTube channel gets taken away. Sorry, that's the air kicking on. But, you know, who needs freedoms and rights, you know? So, anyway, let's get into this. It doesn't feel very heavy, so I can't imagine there's a lot of stuff in it, but at least it's a video, right? Let's do it. Alright, first up we got WandaVision, heat-changing TV mug. I heard of WandaVision, never seen it. Notice a theme here every time I get a unboxing, a loot crate, I haven't heard or seen most of it. Oh, Jesus, frickin'. There we go. There it is. WandaVision. Heat-changing TV mug. I guess it's cool. The shape is kind of annoying. How the hell are you supposed to really drink out of this? You know, like, doesn't seem like, yeah, that's impossible. You're gonna get this all over yourself. Kind of a shitty design, to be honest, but, you know, there you have it. Next up, we got from Bob's Burgers, Butts. Never watched Bob Burgers either. I've tried and I just could not get into it. I don't know. There's very few cartoons. I don't even watch them anymore, actually. I was a big Family Guy fan, and they went all stupid as usual, like everyone else in Hollywood. And South Park just seems to be the same shtick all the time. So, not too many things I watch other than YouTube. So, apparently, she twerks. You can see that. Yeah. See? She's on a little pivot. That's stupid. I'm sorry. I'm probably just gonna piss a lot of you off, but you know, it is what it is. Next up, we have Arrested Development LootCrate DX. I can't talk. LootCrate DX pin. Loose seal of approval. All right. Again, I don't watch Arrested Development either. There you have it. Yeah, very disappointed so far. Next up, we have a valet tray, the Twilight Zone. Fold sides up with corners pointing outward, pinch corners together until they snap securely together. Whatever. Again, stupid. Last up, we have a shirt from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. I tried watching that a few years ago, couldn't get into it, as usual, but there you go. I like the colors, that's cool, but other than that, that's about it. This loot crate was very underwhelming. Definitely was not a good one this month. I nothing left to say other than that. Good Jesus, that's disappointing for sure. What are you gonna do? You know, that's the risk you take with these loot crates. Yeah, I would like to see more of something, like a theme at least. And being that it's October, you know, there's a lot you can do with that. But yeah, there's nothing in here I actually liked. And if I seem kind of bummed out and just not into it, you know why. This world is going to shit, and I'm just fed up with it, and I can't believe how stupid people are. And that's another video for another time, maybe, if ever. You know, you can't say shit anymore without hurting somebody's feelings and trying to cancel you. So, that being said, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Take care.